This next article, not confusing at all. This is my most wanted. And it looks like that article broke for you. This is on The Verge. It was covered a couple of other places. Maybe hit a refresh on it. You're not allowed to load The Verge right now. Check out these shoes. They've got to be the most easygoing casual shoe you've ever seen in your life. The Go FlyEase. They are hands-free shoes that pivot. There's a hinge in them. And you just use your other foot as you naturally would. However, they're left open, so getting back into them, you never have to push down the heel. Will, give me something. Am I great? Give me, that's incredible engineering.
Yes, that's quite genius. I'm guessing it's a snug fit, right?
It looks like, yeah, it looks kind of, it's an elastic style fit. There's no laces, obviously. I don't think it's going to be as tight as a typical running shoe. I think this is a lifestyle type of, like, this is not a performance shoe. But I think as far as indoor shoes at the new studio, like, this is my dream right here.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah?
Because I kick off my boots and it's like, what am I, bending down and I'm fiddling with the back of the shoe, the heel portion, so it gets lifted up and it doesn't get squished
Ice and
down.
Snow flies all over the place.
Yeah, I mean, I would love to get my hands on this, but it looks like it's going to be hard to get your hands on it. The Verge calls them Hype Beast Crocs. The Go FlyEase is a contactless shoe. $120 for both athletic and everyday use. That's what they say. I don't know what type of athletic stuff I'd be doing over here.
Oh, wow.
Now, my problem is, as amazing as these things are, it appears they're going to be hard to get your hands on. They are going to be available February 15th for select Nike members. I don't know if I'm a select Nike member.
No.
I have an account on the website. Maybe they can enable that on my account, or maybe they just send us a pair because, yes, I mean, I don't want, my only problem is the colors right now is a little too.
You don't like these on?
I'll put up with it.
Okay.
I know it's super flashy, but I'll put up with it. Just the way that thing opens and closes is so genius, man. Whoever drew that and made that, I am so happy about it.
Yeah. It looked like high heels at the beginning until
you step into it.
Step into it.
Look at the angle of attack, too. Your ankle is so perfectly situated to insert itself when the shoe is in its open state. Man, people who are just listening to this are dying right now. They're going to have to go check it out. It is the Go FlyEase from Nike. Go look at this thing. It is like nothing I've ever seen before.